outside the country people them inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una. We enter for Galim. Galim idena for that side, so for Faro and Dero for inside the Adamawa region. We the hear say people them for Galim, the Vex, the born caterpillar for Chinese work people them. For Sika waiting, they say they so since where the company start for commod gold for that place, they never gain no nothing. We go take una enter for Galim for talk on top the chapter will happen this weekend. Now so too, Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for this accident where it happened for that side. So for Limbe for Friday, we hear say at least 2 people them die inside that accident. And Tori too for side for Limbe, we go talk on top this palaver for the new chief from Dame village where they put it on top chair. For people that they know Sabi village from Dame na island village where you must to pass inside water before you reach for there. And we be here to say police people them for a gendarme from Vogbesi na for Yawinde side. They don't catch some 3 people there they suspect saying have men them where they cause confusion inside town. And the cry die, it is also there, plenty that is also continue for crime for Punjab after we Paul Eric Kinge, the mayor inside the town, he died. Latest update for Corona we go talk, and Sabi say the latest concerning die for Paul Eric Kinge according to wetin DO for that side. So for Punjab he talk, he say na Corona where he kill Paul Eric Kinge as well the DO don't talk, and he don't give 48 hours for the family for say me the bury inside a Punjab as well Tori. In the enter we hear newspaper them too. We go give them as well they talk for we this afternoon. Big people them talk. In the tell we say when you dey so you know be hunter man. It can be for town. Look out, no follow you go for bush. I say when you know be hunter man, it can be for town. Look out, make you no follow you for bush. Big people them talk. It come out now for Leonard Yumben Edishidon from Bem village, Nwa subdivision, Northwest region. We return back small time. It is salute to plenty for outside the country people them. Monday, another day, number 2 time we'll meet up for Tori house. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for that side. So for Galim, as well as Sabi, na village where they for inside the Faro and Deo for Adamawa. Smoke where the come also for Faro Day, as well as on the Siam country people them. Na smoke where the yes na people that where the Shidon inside Galim for that side. So for Faro and Deo for Adamawa region, they put some caterpillar them where na Chinese people that they use them for fine gold inside that place. According to these people them, since this caterpillar or Chinese people them, they start work for inside their village, they never get any gain. They the instead can carry na that thing then go. Then the people themselves for Galim, they know the gain no nothing. Now for them themselves the vex, they put fire for some of the caterpillar them with these Chinese people them. They work on top for that side. So for Faro and Deo for inside Galim. And Sabi say after they be burn that caterpillar, automatic it be a call attention and soldier them say they become for that side for start for calm down hard for population and one of the caterpillar then that way they burn them where they don't already struggle for lost fire where they begin for put fire for day. But as we soldier people then come, they come for can control this population for that side. The people then for Galim that they talk say better school they no get them, even better roads they no get, hospital they no get, water say for drink they no get. But a Chinese people they inside the town all time, they the only find a gold, come out them, take and go for their own country where themselves they the poor, they the go, but they the come out mineral, natural resources they got, it don't give them for them gold time. So now why that way the people themselves for Galim, they talk say they know if you continue for the city kind of thing where in the past when government don't give power for different country for only for can come out they have natural resources, then themselves for inside they die. Better clinic they no get, even small hospital they no get, drinking water, better road, some kind social amenities them they no get them. So now the thing that will provoke these people them inside Galim for side for Damawa for Vex this weekend where it come up for pass. As well talk for now weekend too will just finish for that side. So for Limbe, for my two, now for around that side, normal accidents it be get for pass, but last it happened right for inside town just after big hospital wey motorway carry cement. We hear say it be lost brakes for that side. So from half mile or from my two side wey be get for Ben, but last now for inside town we can jam. We hear say move some two people them for game. He key at least two people them as we tori enter for we ear, and concerning people that they get caught, we no really fit for count. But as we tori enter we ear, they try for tell for we say if no na so the man he be jump enter, then at least more than two people they for surely die for this accident wey happen for that side. So for Limbe, but sabi say people there they sell for corner road, plenty of their cargo them, the motor it can pass it chakara all team for inside Limbe. And after that accident, all man dey ask am, driver e no be go driving school for push that motor for inside bush. Make we hear wetin wey be dey happen.
Down there, for both people. You say right for my school, what they teach you for driving school. Hey, push are not there for them to enter. You dey rock am down.
Yes, now the people them that they save instead and normal for driving school, they teach people them how will they get for look out people them when accident day, maybe as we be the coming for even enter for bush. We will come out for inside that accident we carry two people them head go down. We talk on top this other chapter country people them and a palaver for thief for that side. So from Vok Besi now for Yawinde, we gendarme people them catch this 3 men them with the year say they suspect say be so they been active people them for that side. So for inside Vok Besi, after plenty investigate with gendarme he catch them, so they dey for back counter as we tori enter for inside we hear. Another case for thief people them where gendarme people they only can comot them for hand now after we they do almost finish kill am now for that side. So for inside mile 2 for Bamenda on Sunday where population catch some thief man, then knock and sote they be almost 1 kilo. Sabi say the people they talk say na boy we don't ever the thief people they don't always complain for that side. So for mile 2 inside Bamenda palava the boy and na so too as we they catch now with some other people then talk say no, they must to finish with it for inside the chapter for Sika say if the levy it go surely go come back. But sabi say as we population knock am, sabi say blood it come out for this man his skin where they talk say it don't thief, plenty blood come out for his skin. So till last gendarme people them where they hear the story now them they come carry this thief man where they be already feeling knock so they plenty people themselves they want even start kill am before gendarme people they say they come for this. So now for my 2 for inside Bamenda where they catch this one, then they knock am before gendarme people them they go and come for that side as we tori enter for inside we hear. As we talk for now place where they call am, or before we enter for this other chapter we go take una enter for inside Ndame village now for that side. So for a Limbe country people them for inside Ndame with the here say the new chief for that side he don't chop chair as we tori enter for inside we EM, or maybe we enter we don't surely jump for on top this chapter. Mama team maybe we go back for Garwa, maybe we go turn back first for Garwa for talk on top this fire we catch for some binet place for that side. So for Garwa, yes, for inside some binet place we fire catch for this Sunday as we tori enter we hear one binet place for inside the big market for Garwa. Now for them we fire cash, but lucky say army rescue people themselves they become now for them we as we themselves they come one time they be fit for lost fire, but sabi say plenty some cargo them day with the burn as we fire it be already bus enter inside the business place for Garwa market. Now this Sunday with that one it happen for place where they call them say Bamenda country people them with the here say people there they come up Bamenda by night where they be get for arrive Douala this morning time. They no respect that time for arrival for Sika Palaba for road again. Country people them they say as where they reach a place where they call them say Babaju as where they reach a day for 12 midnight they no be fit for cross again. plus the small rain wey e fall place in the kene on top that one plenty hole dem dey dey for roads wey na the road dem wey normal after wey dem be make deviation for roads dem be get for even level am say wetin make people dem or dey cover the road so that people dey fit pass. So una fit see motor dem wey dey line up, plenty of that motor dem dey come na for 12 midnight. You fit see another one for far away wey e don tight. Motor dem be get for cross by this morning time. Dem go don enter for inside Douala, one day dey go Yaoundé, dem for don already reach. But for Sika say plenty hold dem dey dey for roads, people dem sleep for that side. So for roads wey dey fix am as wey dem wan even reach Babaju side, na for that side so wey dey roads e be wowo. So all motor dem wey dey comot for night for reach for daytime, dem no reach the normal time, and na maybe na only this morning time after we show wey caterpillar e go surely go for go help people dem. So plenty of the motor dem dey sleep na only for the place for the road for Sika say road e no be dey wey no be dey for dem for pass at all. So the people dem dey ask, even as when governor e say e don send other company dem for go help, dem no sabi why wey e dey wowo and e dey strong for motor dem for so cross, particular for place wey dey fix road for that side. So for Babaju as we tori enter for inside we hear now we enter for this island village. Island e mean say na water dey for all corner. Na the village wey dey call am say Ndame, wey na this weekend wey pass come the people wey the village people themselves na themselves dey waka inside canoe dey go na for go put wetin go put the new chief for Ndame village on top chair, and sabi say for waka reach for day na canoe be the only way, and when you finish cross you enter now. So for inside bush, so na only water e dey for all corner. Now oga dio sese be dey there, oga dio be dey there for put the new chief from Ndame village on top chair. Sabi say people dey be check say dem no go ever put chief for inside the village, but sabi say lie to lie dem talk say even as so the village e dey na for inside water, dem go so be dey. So country fashion first e be start with a chief dem. Sabi say Bota Wovia na some of the places that way they form this island or village, or some of the places when Ndame sese e dey under. So as so the here na for inside the island place where they put the new chief on top chair, and they don't tell you say make you try for see whether if you develop this island. Yes, if they want go for Limbe, they must to enter na for inside water before they cross go for Limbe, and they want turn back for their own place, they must to enter water. So na palava for talk say wetin, except say you get heart when you come out na for come back early, or you sleep for town when a night e meet on you, then you come back the next day. But sabi say when water too e over high for up sometime, e dey worry people dem for cross for come for this island village. As when the new chief e take chair, e dey beg to say make e people dem wey dem don run the village, the island village wey dem call am Ndame, make dem to dey turn back for inside village, so that they go see as wey dey fit for work and develop this their small island village, so that e go be na touristic site too for stranger dem for come see am. Make we hear wetin wey the chief e talk for microphone for Davidson Maimo.
We get a problem of we need to relocate and settle in one place, because if you live for one place, you dey see your brothers and sisters and for them to realize the development. And wetin we want beg for government, I know say they go hear, say make they know say Ndame don't be recognized at them, they recognize you. So we go come for their door for say make they employ my pikin them, because now my preoccupation they should pikin the day outside where they get certificate from Ndame, then they never get work.
Why you want relocation on Ndame?
I want relocation on Ndame because we forefathers they be come out from Ndame, no be na say Ndame no, if you be look, no be say no be fit stay from Ndame. First, Ndame na say they no be get drinking water, and secondly, as they be come, Game market na the oldest market for the whole Faku. So now the market that they be use am. They be first difficulties when they come from the sometimes they will meet up storm. They know if you go back. Sometimes they will papa that the one and mommy they be go market when they come to the sink with all the food stuff. So one of the difficulties there they get them and they get them. So don't be so not settle. If water be there, like how things they don't open now, flambo they be. we fit sit down for Ndame, but water no dey. No, it will be easy for we for settle for Ndame. But all we Ndame people, anytime wey we dey, more calm, because government don't recognize we. More calm, more make Ndame maybe a better place for people. People they be there for island, they see Ndame. It is a beautiful place.
Yes, as soon as I don't hear chief, it talk say this so they get for change their place, they get for change the village, even as soon as Sabi. We know this so they get for change, even as so they go put you on top chair, get for find another place we all the people them they fish done. We missing governor he must to give some land for this village. We na island village for inside a Fako a division. We go take una enter for Penja just now, as so we talk for now for morning time. It then a big cry die where people then say for Penja they wake up this morning time. They hear concerning the die for their own mayor. We they call him say Paul Eric Kinge. Wana sabi say Paul Eric Kinge, mayor for Jombe Penja. They be carry bring up for Douala say no well. But this morning time we hear say don't die. And according to the latest story, we he come out for that side so for Penja after we divisional officer for Penja Iho Dongamen, he don't announce say the two will kill Paul Eric Kinge according to he now a corona and he don't give 48 hours for the family for see as we they go bury Paul Eric Kinge where would the say die body if you don't come out Douala they take and go for that side so for Penja make we see and make we hear as the people then cry they mourn their God-given mayor where he just should done for some time he don't go. Yes, mayor we na God give am for them. The same God wey give am, he don't take am. So now for them for tie heart. Make we hear some of the people that will be meet up them as earlier this morning we they be the talk for we concerning the die for Paul Eric Kinge.
Government in terms of bad for Penja, the papa don't die. All Penja they for cry. All suffer for Penja, they don't finish today. All things don't turn up today, so all we for Penja, all picking for Penja, all mamin them, all kako don't turn up today. God don't take the papa don't come back. All things don't turn up for Penja today. Penja don't really for cry. All we cry with papa we don't die.
All things I forgot.
All things I forgot. We don't put all things for one for God. People they want hear fan, they hear fan just.
We don't shit, we don't wake up for one time. News we see and we Penja don't black. The one house at the top we say we may or don't die. The house say don't die now, na accident na waiting. Any man say no. All man don't Penja don't but Penja don't be for die. Penja don't chakala, all man don't chakala for Penja because two we may we talk say we do for we, you know but do. Them say we dey paralyzed, we don't know to talk again. All you don't finish so. You don't finish so.
What you don't pass now we don't hear news.
All we don't for that so no woman before for grief say King they don't die because we pray you don't pass away. Say we go see him before we breathe. We don't turn up for African mountain say we wait for that we come before we drink. Say yeah na tree don't die.
Yes, also don't talk for now. The DO for inside Penja don't talk. Dongameni be passed this morning and he say na corona under 48 hours. When they don't give him, say may the family he fine and see as we they go bury Paul Eric Kinge. We go take una enter for Kumba just now. We hire teachers technical training college. We na part for university for Boya since we they open up for 2014. He don't get a first ever open door day them. We start now with the prayer for them big office for inside Kumba town as we to enter we here with pastor, father and imam the way they pray for the school. Sabi says since when the school open for 2014 open door like this kind of one, e never start. After wey dem be start for banquet hall for inside Kumba, na so too dey comot, dey go for outside space. Na for the way dey so the school and the pikin dem wey dey train am, dey show some of the handwork dem wey dey fit for do am. Sabi sef say the director for higher teachers technical training college for Kumba, wey e be part for University of Boya, Professor Akume Daniel Akume, he don talk for business people dem, say make they come join hand, they do kombi with HTTC so that things dem they go before, and them too they fit carry Cameroon go for before. As when Kunkuma talk, say 2035 Cameroon it must to go for before. Just now, Corona latest update, so get them for now this afternoon as we John Hopkins University is send them for we for this site. It try for talk for we on top this chapter for Corona. They say 123,216,534 people them since Corona come. Now the total that way they don't catch Corona. 69,816,462 people they don't well, and 2,715,626 people them they already die for Sika Corona. The latest update to John Hopkins University, he give them for this number 22 day for inside moon for March for inside the whole world. Now for Cameroon, as well we show now for morning time, now for that side, so for inside government technical school for west region. Now for the way picking them, we meet up picking them for outside. All these picking now they see them, they say now their principal he drive them, say they no get hand sanitizer, so he send them say make they go buy better hand sanitizer wey they sell am for inside pharmacy. But plenty of the pikin them, even as well they go, some of them they try for tell we say they no understand if some particular hand sanitizer they way they don't talk, say make they use am for sick. Say even as well the principal drive them, they no be fit for understand. One he say he don't fair buy, he don't fair bring country own wey they make am for house, he show am they deny, he go buy different one, he show am they deny. So you know be last sabi which particular one where the principal e be one time. So now the thing that we make am as with that pikin e be the talk for we. So we say after we finish here from pikin them, we talk say make we go here sesep from the own woman in mob sesep, the woman when I be principal, even as we people then they already start talk say make it try for tell we as we go show you microphone. The woman talk say we no sabi we work, so we be get for fair ask na equation before we go ask the pikin them. Say what we get for ask pikin them first before we go can ask it. He say he know the talk no nothing, even as we he will follow he enter for office. He deny say no the talk no nothing. Say na he be get for be first person for talk why wey he dey so he send pikin them for outside. No be na so we go here from pikin them before we can ask. But sabi say since so this school thing don't start, we work to go for the delegation for secondary education for that side. So for Nkam Manadin, he dey like say don't call my image for that side for Sika say we'll be try for me talk with that woman, the man will be the delegate for that side. He tell we say we never get any hand sanitizer, no special hand sanitizer no day where they don't write them for books, say make picking them buy them. The only thing I say waiting, they must to respect hygiene sanitation. Even as where they get hand sanitizer fine, but they must to wash hand, and even face mask where they get for all them. So now just some of the thing that now the thing then that will here. So with the wait go happen now for Ivory Coast, even as well they no common number them as well they be do cry die for their prime minister for sick people them for they tell we say for Sunday they be get new case them where they get them for Sunday as well. If you read for them they be get some 200 they get 3 total where they be get on a Sunday 397 now the new case and that way they get them on Sunday. And just for sabi say since as well Corona come Ivory Coast, it don't get total number 40,310 cases them where they don't get the sick since we come, and 36,395 people them where they don't already well from the sick. 220 people they don't die as of the number the way they give it on Sunday, and 3,695 people them 3,695 people them where they day on top sick bed for Ivory Coast. Now just some of the number them we e dey so minister for sick people for Ivory Coast e comot am like for give you the updates on top this sick sabi say dem be get cry die so dem no be get time for put all thing dem for small so you fit read for there as wey the thing dey pass for Ivory Coast. For different country too go inside wey na Nigeria on Sunday na 86 new cases wey dem be confirm am say dey get, and since corona enter Nigeria 161,737 people they don get the sick, 147,899 people they don well comot, and 2,030 people they don already die as wey tori enter for inside we hear. South Africa on Sunday as we see na 1,051 people wey dey test them positive for the corona, and since wey corona enter South Africa 1,463,089 people they don already well, 52,111 people they don die since corona e enter for inside South Africa. And for that side, so for Chad, we sabi say campaign for get new president. It dey happen for inside Chad, as so the talk just now. But the tori for inside dey na say wetin Idris Deby ignore, wey e dey show say na SSF go surely turn again in Shidon on top the chair, wey e dey wan fight for Shidon on top back. It is also continue for make a campaign and for try for talk for people them. Wetin wey e go make and wey go change a country wey na Chad. So for tell we say campaign e dey waka fine for one end, but for the other end for Chad we see am say na waka for vex e dey happen for inside Chad day as wey Idris Deby e dey make a campaign for one end, for the other end as wey tori enter for we ear na only waka for vex e dey happen for that side. So for Chad as wey tori enter for inside we ear on top these people them wey dey make waka for vex for inside Chad day. But just now sabi say them they dey want and say make Idris Deby ignore e comot for chair, say e do over Shidon on top chair. So na some of the people them this wey dey make their waka for vex for say make Idris Deby e comot on top chair as wey tori enter we ear. Make we enter for newspaper direct for talk as we newspaper then say they see tori them as we say we see inside Horizon they talk for we as we at Horizon newspaper a glad in number 15 anniversary Bonday 12 Cameroonian SSF they don't get plenty awards and even money as we Horizon they talk for we. SDF Littoral it don't come out Honorable O.C. Joshua for their party as we if you read them too. Samuel Eto'o too where they don't give honorary doctorate degree for France if you go read that chapter, and other to read them way if you read for Horizon newspaper. Another newspaper for outside today na the Star. Inside the Star they try for talk for we as we dey so the thing way dey for back we no sabi concerning this help from Kunkuma. The Star newspaper e comot am you go read tori too wey e concern a court case a result wey go comot for number 14 day for court for first instance na which a court case that wey people dey wait am over. You fit read am for inside the Star newspaper wey e comot this Monday. Another newspaper na the Median. Inside the Median they dey talk as wey e dey so Nkunkuma e don so left people them wey e dey so people they no even want for year on top chair. You go read as when Nkunkuma don so ignore in lucky ear from people then their call on top Masenya Tifenji and Akabayege Jibril where they don shit on back on top chair. You go read tori too wey e concern CSPH inside we country as wey the media newspaper e present am for we. Inside the Guardian Post wey dey outside Guardian Post e don come on na all the old young boy them wey dey so continue for the lookout we country. You go look that photo them wey the Guardian Post e put am and even talk wey come out from African Development Bank. The Post wey dey outside today e get e own chapter for tell for we country people them. Inside the Post wey e dey outside today they talk as we DDRU see na that boys them wey they be left gone with them to the come out again for vex for sika the promise when governor e never keep am. You go read other to read them inside the same newspaper wey e dey outside country people them. Now just some of the newspaper them that will be fit for touch them, maybe breaking news and Cameroon Insider wey be the part of the newspaper there. We'll surely look on top stop them, well, we'll turn back. Tomorrow, plenty thank you for Innocent Abega. We put camera for my before. Thank you too for backside. I want to say big thank you for my Liz and Mama Tida we night for back machine this afternoon. I need to forget Derek and even the other people them for broadcast. We quit Ledu, Francis, and even Zeb Gondiwe, all them na part of the same team for Inside Tori House. But anyhow, they won't be for morning time. We go turn back with other Tori them for this side. Una hold on tight.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.